Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So you guys have to just simply go to CapCut application and make sure to update the first CapCut application. So after opening up the CapCut application, here you guys have to simply add a video in which you want to add a smooth slow motion. So you guys have to simply select that video. And here you guys have to simply go to the select the section of video and click on the volume section and below it to 0. After that, you guys have to just simply click on the speed section, and here you guys have to simply click on normal, and you guys have to adjust it according to your need. And after that, you guys have to just simply click on smooth slow motion and click on better quality and click on tick. So it will take some time. So after adjusting and taking some time, your slow motion will be smooth in this way. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.